Hello everyone, welcome to my channel for yet another video on Nifty Bank Nifty analysis. Today we will take a look at the daily chart for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and we'll also take a look at the key levels where we can trade tomorrow. But before that, a disclaimer. All the views and opinions expressed in this video are for learning purposes only and in no way is a buy or sell recommendation. Any buying or selling decision or any trading or investing decision needs to be taken after consultation with your respective financial advisors. Viewer discretion is advised. So what I'm sharing with you all right now is a Nifty spot chart on a daily time frame. And as you can see here, we have a green candle, green bodied candle, and which confirms the hammer candle that was formed yesterday. So today we have got a confirmation for that hammer candle, and this suggests that the uptrend or the up move will continue. The key levels to watch out for tomorrow are 22,277 on the upper side and 22,077 on the lower side. Now, if 22,277 level breaks and if the price sustains above it, then in that case we may see 22,300 as well as 22,350 and 400 being retested in the coming trading sessions, and also it will make the level 22,500 as well available as a target. On the other hand, if 22,077 level breaks and if the price sustains below that, then 22,000, which is a psychological level, will act as a support and we may see some reversal or bounce back from there, right? Also, the current scenario, as I have been saying, indicates that we are looking at a up move till the day of election results, right? And in that case, this movement, the up move, may not be linear. That is, we may not have green candles on each of the days. We may see one red candle followed by some consolidation or a doji candle and then again a green candle. So don't carry forward positions, first of all. Second, if you are trading, trade for a longer time frame or a higher expiry. That is, in my opinion, don't trade for tomorrow's expiry. Today's expiry. Today is Bank Nifty expiry and tomorrow is Nifty expiry. So don't trade for that. Trade for the next week or the week after that. And even better, trade for June 6th or a date which is later than June 4th, right? Because I think till that time we will get a clarity of where the market is moving. Also, the indications are that the market will go uh, on the upside, correct? So we have the key levels as I discussed, 22,277 on the upper side and 22,77 on the lower side. Now, in between these 200 points, the market may show some range bound movement, and after the continuous movement that it has been showing for the past 3 days, I somehow feel the next 2 days of expiry, that is for um, Bank Nifty as well as for Nifty, we may see a doji candle or a very tight range, as in it's going to be a range bound movement, is what my anticipation is, right? So let's move on to Bank Nifty now. So Bank Nifty also suggested a hammer like candle yesterday, as we had said in the video as well. This is a variation of the hammer, and today we got a confirmation for that. Also, Bank Nifty looks more strong to me because this level 47,933, that has been retested, I would say, and today it has taken resistance from there. So tomorrow, if this level 47,933 breaks, then in that case we may see targets up to 48,255 and 48,355 as well. Tomorrow is Bank Nifty expiry, so we may see those targets hit, as well as some profit booking from those levels, and then again the price may come down to form a small bodied but long wick green candle, or even a doji candle. There is less likelihood that we will see a down move from here for tomorrow. But again, one interesting thing I wanted to show is on 15 minutes chart, I think. Just no, not this one. Uh, for Nifty. Yeah. Just give me a minute. So on Nifty, I think primers of 15 minutes. Yeah. So on Nifty, this 5 minute chart, as you can see here, this structure, this structure, and this. So this 20 to 200 is kind of a key level. If this level breaks, then in that case we may see a quick downfall till around the levels of 2277, which are today's low. And if this level further breaks, then 22,000 will be the level where we can expect some support, right? So this was the thing I wanted to show. As well as for Bank Nifty, I think Bank Nifty is forming more or less like an inverted uh, head and shoulder pattern. So if you see this here, this is not exactly, but if you consider this as a variation of head and shoulder, so this is inverse head and shoulder. So 47,933 level is is a key level, and from here if you see, it had taken support, bounced back, took support, bounced back, then broke here, right? The support was broken down, then took resistance here, took resistance here, took resistance here, again went up, took resistance, took resistance, and now still taking resistance. So if this resistance breaks, I think we are in for a very good move, which can come tomorrow as well. And that move could be till the levels which I said previously, that is 48 255 to 48 355 levels, or roughly 377 levels, right? So the key levels to watch out for Bank Nifty would be 47,944. Though we are saying 47,933 is the level, I would still wait for the price to trade and sustain above 47,944 before initiating a trade on the upside. So 47,944 is the key level for us. If the price breaks and sustains above 47,944, then in that case, we can go ahead with a buy side trade. And the levels to watch out for on the lower side is 47,599, which is roughly around 47,600. And if this level breaks, then 47,500 happens to be the first target, which may act as a support because of being a psychological level. Or else we may see the levels 47 400, 300, as well as 200 being retested in the coming trading sessions, right? In between these 340, 350 points, I think the market is going to play range bound. So it's better not to trade. And even if you are trading, trade with very less quantity. It's election season, so there will be a lot of volatility, so trade with very less quantity. And as far as possible, uh, don't keep a stop loss, is what I usually say, especially for the past few days, because of the volatility that we see in the market, and it's election season, so you may experience a movement on both sides. And that is what I'm expecting tomorrow as well as day after tomorrow, which is for the expiry. But the but if I have to trade, right, if I have to trade, it is very risky to not have a stop loss for a down move, right? Because my bias is towards bullishness, and if the market goes against my bias, then in that case, I would want to exit the position as early as possible. So, uh, if I if I if I initiate a trade above 47,944, then in that case, I think 47,900 would be the level where I would want to keep as a stop loss. Any close, a candle close below 47,900, I think it's best to exit out from the position. The the price may still go up later, but that's a if, right? So in a one directional move, I think 47,944 is the level where I would be interested to trade, and any close below 47,900 would be the stop loss for me, especially for Bank Nifty and for tomorrow's expiry. Uh, if I have to trade Nifty, with the same logic, then in that case, 22,277 would be the level where I above which I would be interested to trade, and I think 22,200 would be the level below which I would be keeping my stop loss, right? So these are the key levels for both Nifty and Bank Nifty, and I have also told you the stop loss as well, right? So trade cautiously. It's election season, so don't trade with large quantity, trade with very small quantity, right? And that's the analysis from my side. Do let me know in comment section whether this analysis is helping you or not, and whether you were able to take trade today, and whether you made profits or whether you booked losses. So whatever we have been saying in the videos, so that has been coming true for the market, thankfully, and we are looking at a bull run right from here, right? So let's hope it works that way, and do let me know in comment section also what else you want me to cover as part of these videos, and do like, do comment, do share, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done it yet. And just before we wrap up, a small disclaimer: making money in stock markets is not easy, and there is no shortcut to make money. However, with continuous improvements and over time, we can definitely make money from stock market. So thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.